Hello everyone, my name is Kyle and today I'm going to show you this really helpful tool that I recently have discovered. It helps me out as a writer, a blogger, and as a student overall. This site is Grammarly.com. That is what you want to type into the URL box up top. When it brings you to this page, you're going to log in up in the top. And on the login screen, you have the option to choose between continuing through your Facebook, your Google account, or your email and password to create a Grammarly account. I'm just going to use the Google account option today, and I'm going to use my student account. And it's going to verify me, and it's going to bring me back to the page. And then the next thing I'm going to do is add the Chrome extension. It's free to use. It helps you with any spelling or grammar errors when you're on the web. So it's going to bring you to the Google Chrome extension page. Just add to Chrome. Yes, we're going to add that. Then it might take a minute here to add it to your extensions. There we see it up top there. You can show definitions and synonyms via double clicks on all sites. You can choose your style of writing. You can choose to go premium from right here. It can take you to your home page. So let's do that. Let's go back to our home page. You can also install the application on your Apple device by doing that. We'll do that at a later date. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you this demo document to show you what Grammarly does. So let's take the quick tour. So it helps you to become a better writer, organizes and gives you feedback and identifies what's strong in your writing and how to make it stronger. In the premium options, it goes beyond grammar and spelling and gives you other ways to improve your writing. So on this demo document here, we can see up top we have the alerts and how many of the alerts are fixed via the premium features. So as you can see, most of them are fixed via the premium feature. I would recommend the premium. So we can hyphen, we can change our prepositions, fix any typing mistakes like spacing or incorrect articles, things like that. So just overall things that you'd miss when you're typing your documents up really quickly. And yeah. So next we are going to go back to our home page, which is this right here. And then next I want to show you another feature in the profile. You can add words to your dictionary. So maybe like your last name or other words that your search engine might think are misspelled. You can add that in there so they're no longer going to be flagged as misspelled words. So now let's check out the premium features. If you want the premium, it's going to cost $11.66 a month, but you get all of these features included. With the free version, you're only going to get grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. With premium and the business account as well, you get inconsistent writing style, unclear sentence structure, overused words, etc. So you get way more with the premium options for 11, almost 12 bucks a month, which isn't bad. So that's Grammarly. It's a really helpful tool that I use to help me with my writing, and I think it might help you with yours. So go ahead and check it out today. Thank you.